Hello my friends and subscribers, my name is Alexander Stepanov. Do you remember this nail design? I made it 1 month ago and now the client came back to infill her nails. And as you can see, nails are in perfect condition and we have no liftings. The gel is staying perfectly. This was sculpting mix gel. I have already shown you this amazing product in my previous videos. So, as you can see, it's very easy to remove this product using the barrel drill bit. And it works very fast. I'm using this drill bit about 100 times, and all these times it's still sharp. I change this drill bit one drill bit one time a month. After removing the old gel, I'm preparing the nail plate for placing the new product. And the main thing you should do for preparing the nail plate, of course, it's to remove the pterygia and all liftings, if we have liftings here, and of course lifting particles up of the natural nail plate and priming the nails using the gel primer. Use the gel primer and never primer nails with the acid primers because they cause allergic reaction. As you can see, now my brother Andrew, he's my student, and we achieved a lot of things together because he worked in his nail studio, and sometimes he sent me new videos of how he works on his clients. Sometimes I say that I do nails from myself, but that means that Andrew is working. So we work together. Sometimes I make tutorials, sometimes he works on his clients. And very soon I'm going to publish new tutorials of how we do nails. As you can see, he's primering the nail plate now, and you should do it properly because the staying of the product depends on how you have applied this layer. Sometimes we place the hand of client in LED lamp to cure the hand properly because the gel primer is not curable, but the temperature in the LED lamp allows to penetrate the product into the depth of the nail plate, and that's why the product stays better, much better. So we achieved this technique, we created this technique, and I think that our nails are long lasting. Andrew is applying the new layer of sculpting mix gel. This product is neither not too liquid nor not too thick, so it's very easy to work with it if you have trained the hand on this product. You don't need to change the product if you have trained your hand. You can only experiment with different tones. We have cured this gel in LED lamp in 1 minute, and now he's removing the tacky layer. He's using the large wipe because tacky layer sometimes can bring the allergic, and no matter what product do you use, the gel of sculpting mix gel and other gel, every kind of product can bring allergy. But Andrew is working 10 years with this gel and he has any problems with allergy. And of course my wife worked with this industry, and she also worked while pregnancy, and it didn't bring her allergy, and it didn't influence on child. I think that this is the good. This shows that this product is safe for health because nail masters work with this product for very long years without allergy, without problems with length, with health, and we use just the same products: sculpting mix gel, cone barrel drill bits, and gel polish for the French manicure, which allows to create very thin lines. And in this video I'm gonna show you how to use this gel polish and how to create amazing nail design, which will be adorable for every woman. I can say that this is the true, and I analyzed preferences of many clients, and I know that a lot of women enjoy geometric figures on their nails, and now I'm gonna show you how to create them perfectly. And of course the color of gold and gold is also adorable by a lot of women. Some women enjoy silver or white gold or pink gold. You can change the gold, the classic gold in this nail design, to the, for example, white gold or pink gold glitter. As you can see, I have drawn the geometric figure using the white gel paint for the French manicure by Shape of Nail, which costs $3 with free shipping all over the world. You can order it, and in 2 weeks you will receive your fantastic product. White and black gel paint, amazing. It's need only one layer. Don't need to place a lot of layers. Nails will not be bulky after placing these layers because it's high pigmented. You should cure it in good LED lamp, 48 watts in 1 minute. If the lamp is lower, you should cure 2 minutes. And now I'm applying thin layer of clear gel. It has sticky layer. Some nail masters place glitter on sticky layer, but I used to place it right on the wet gel, so I didn't cure this gel. I'm placing right on the wet gel product. You should do it very neatly and accurately, because you can ruin this line. Just slightly put glitter on this layer, neatly, slightly, and don't press too much. Don't forget to buff the gel paint before placing rhinestones and applying, because the glitter will be stick on this layer. So we have amazing nail design. Look, it's very beautiful and it's very simple. You can apply it by yourself. I have already chosen this nail design because it's very easy to do by yourself. So thanks for watching, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye.